With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given which of the following is used for distinguishing primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So first option is given as Victor-Meyer test. So basically Victor-Meyer test is used for the distinguishing of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. If I say what is Victor-Meyer test, in this a series of reagents are used and the reagents used are in sequential manner. First reagent which is used is P4 in presence of iodine. Second reagent which is used is AgNO2. Third reagent which is used is HNO2. And the fourth reagent which is used is alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Okay, so what happens is it is a distinguishable test. So with primary alcohol, so I will write down the primary alcohol general structure RCH2OH when this is treated with P4 iodine. Okay, so what will happen? OH is replaced with iodine, so you are going to get RCH2 iodine. The next step is treatment with AgNO2. So iodine is replaced with NO2, so here you will have RCH2 NO2. The next step is treatment with HNO3. When you treat this with HNO3, what will happen is you're going to get double bond NOH. So double bond NaOH is from this R you will have, then you will have C NO2 double bond NOH. When this is treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, you are going to get a red color solution. So this will distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. So if there is primary alcohol, you are going to get red color in the final step. So we can say that it has primary alcohol present. If you have secondary alcohol, structure would be R, CH, OH, and R. Okay, or you can write it down like this: RR, CH, OH. First step is treatment with P4 iodine, which will give you R, CR, H, iodine. Next treatment is with AgNO2, which will give you the product as R, C, R, H, NO2. Next is treatment with HNO2, which will give you the product as R, C, R, NO2 and NO. When this is treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, we are going to get blue color, which will indicate the presence of secondary alcohol. Okay, with tertiary alcohol, if you have, so the general structure for tertiary alcohol is R, C, R, R and OH. When this is treated with potassium P4 iodine, you are going to get R, C, R, then R again, iodine. This is further treated with HNO2, not HNO2, AgNO2. So what will happen? You are going to get now the replacement of I with NO2. Okay. Now in the next step, if you treat this with HNO2, there is no reaction happening and hence we will have colorless solution. So this colorless solution will indicate that there is presence of tertiary alcohol. So from this we can say that this Victor-Meyer test is a distinguishable test between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So this will be the correct answer. Let's check the other options also. So the second one is given as Beilstein test. So in Beilstein test, what happens is, I will write down the Beilstein test. Beilstein test. In this, what happens is this is basically a type of flame test for organic halides. In this, what happens is we take copper wire, which is heated on an oxidized flame, and what will happen after oxidizing, this is then dipped with the organic compound which is present, and this is again introduced to the flame. And if we get a bluish green flame, then we can conclude that there is presence of halide in the organic compound, and therefore this bluish green flame which is formed, this is due to copper halide. Okay, and this is basically a test for organic halides. So Beilstein test is not the correct answer, so we can cancel this out. Third is Hoffman test. Basically Hoffman test is a medical test in which it is used for, if you say Hoffman test. It is the test to differentiate. It is actually the test for used upper motor neuron function. It is used to check upper motor neuron function. So this is basically the test done by doctors, or they actually sends the finger and thumb response to stimulus. Okay, so this is Hoffman test. The fourth is Felling's test. In the Felling's test, it is used to differentiate between presence of aldehyde and ketone in carbohydrates. The general reaction for this is, so again, this is also not for distinguishable test for alcohol. We can cancel third and fourth also, but let's just check the what is the general reaction for Felling's test. In this, what happens is you have RC double bond O. This is H. This is a aldehyde plus 2Cu2 plus 5OH minus. This will give you RC double bond O minus plus Cu2O, which is a red color precipitate, which will indicate the presence of aldehyde group plus 3H2O. This is the general reaction. Again, this is a distinguishable test for aldehyde and ketone in carbohydrates. So this is also incorrect option. So the only correct option would be Victor-Mayer test for this answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.